Make sure y'all wipe these arms down because the baby's gonna be touching these arms.
So today we have our lovely partnership with Lively Technical College, and their students are coming over and providing our students with free haircuts today. So they come over a couple of times a month. It's this partnership that we formed this year to be able to provide the service for our families.
I wanted a haircut that makes me one bald.
Same thing, look. Every time you pull that hair up, it should always be straight across. For me, it feels good when you see a child get a haircut and to boost their self-esteem and their confidence. Parents who may have several students who don't have the resources, the time, or the finances to take their child to the barbershop, it allows them to save money, save time, and save resources. And the child can walk away with a higher self-esteem.
I cut my hair at our mom's house when I was not supposed to.
He doesn't like being cut around the ears. That's why I'm doing shear work. The clippers would probably distract him too much.
As soon as we learned about this opportunity with the barber school, we wanted to jump right in on it. It's a win-win situation. The barbers get to have hands-on experience and our kids walk away feeling really good.
This is a process that allows connections in so many ways, and it's needed. The community that we have here in Tallahassee among Leon County schools is intertwined, and one has to help the other. All of that is going to build lasting memories that they're going to have for a lifetime, and they'll look back on the next person that they get ready to help and do the same thing.